Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Let's add value to your knowledge account today. Welcome to our Finance and Accounting Academy channel. I'm Dr. Bharati Sunil. We have discussed about cost accounting, its advantages and limitations in our previous class. Today we'll discuss about differences between financial and cost accounting. This is very important question in cost accounting. So today we will discuss about the differences between financial and cost accounting. So what is the first one? Shows profit and loss of the whole business and financial position. See, if you take financial accounting shows what is the profit or what is the loss that the business have made in that particular financial year. That shows the total companies or the total business profit or loss. And also it shows the financial position of the entire business. And if you come to cost accounting, it gives detailed cost and profit or loss of each product, each service, and each activity. If you see financial accounting, it will relating to the entire company. So here in cost accounting, we are having a detailed cost or detailed profit or loss of a particular product, service or activity. Coming to the second one, reports periodically, means either it is yearly or half yearly. So in financial accounting, we'll prepare financial statements either half yearly or annually. But if you take cost accounting, reports continuously at short intervals, weekly or monthly. So based on the requirement, reports are prepared either weekly or monthly. Now coming to the third one. Information is for internal and external stakeholders. If you take financial accounting, what are the financial statements that particular business is preparing? Information is provided for internal stakeholders and external stakeholders in financial accounting. So who are internal stakeholders? Management, owners, employees. And who are external stakeholders? Suppliers, bankers, customers, government, society. But if you take cost accounting, the information is detailed for internal management use only. So here, in case of cost accounting, information is prepared for the purpose of internal management usage. Fourth one mainly provides past or historical results. So if you take financial accounting, in financial accounting, what data you will get already, what got happened. Say for example, if you take 2024-25 financial year, that is April 1st 2024 to March 31st 2025 will prepare. After completion of March 31st 2025 will prepare. So the data what we are considering is past data, right? So in financial accounting, we are taking mainly past and historical results. But if you take cost accounting, it provides both the past results. We are taking past data. At the same time, we also make, using this past data, future estimates. So we'll try to know how much of cost we can incur. So say for example, this we will use in case of budgets. So what we'll do in budgets, we'll see the past data, and based on the past data, we will prepare estimate for the future. So for each department or for each product, we'll prepare budgets. In the same way, standards. So how the standards will be fixed for performance means in case of materials or in case of labor or in case of overheads, we'll see the past data, and based on the past data, we'll fix the standards. So in cost accounting, what we are taking? We are taking both past, and based on the past, what we are doing? We are estimating for the future. Fifth one, maintain to meet statutory or legal requirements. So if you take financial accounting, why we prepare financial accounting? It is mandatory under Companies Act. So we are preparing based on the legal requirements. So financial accounting is for statutory or legal requirement we are preparing. But if you take cost accounting, it is maintained voluntarily, right? So why we are maintaining voluntarily? For management decision making. See, I have explained in the previous video, for management decision making, we require cost accounting. For what purpose? For make or buy decision, or for expansion of business or diversification of business, we require cost data. Okay, so preparing cost accounting for the purpose of management decision making, right? So that is why it is prepared or maintained voluntarily. It is not legally required like financial accounting. Next, um, does not show efficiency of machines, labor, or material. So in financial accounting, we'll give the stock, how much of stock is purchased, how much of stock is sold, how much of stock is there, what is machinery value, what is our materials, means what is our raw material stock, right? And also how much of wages we have paid. But we are not considering efficiency of machinery, how efficiently the machinery is working, or how efficiently labor are working, or how efficiently material is used in our business. We are not considering in financial accounting. But if you take cost accounting, in cost accounting, we'll see the efficiency of machines, labor, or material. So how efficiently it is working, we'll see under cost accounting. So how efficiently labor are working without having much idle time, right? And how efficiently we are using our machinery, and how efficiently we are using our material without having unnecessary wastage, right? So cost accounting is prepared to know the efficiency of machinery, labor, and material. Next, financial accounting main focus is on profit determination. So we want to know what is the profit that is made. Why we do business? To earn profit, right? So when we are doing one activity as a business, we would like to know at the end of the year how much of profit we have made, or if you have incurred loss, how much of loss we have incurred. That is called what? To know the profitability, we are preparing financial accounting. But if you take cost accounting, its main focus is on cost control and cost reduction. So what is the main objective of cost accounting? Cost control, cost reduction. What is the meaning of cost control? Whatever is the amount that we have set, we should not exceed that. So we want to control our costs by reducing unnecessary wastages, right? And what is the cost reduction? We want to reduce our cost. So we want to take all the measures to see that unnecessary costs are eliminated or completely reduced, so that we can have correct cost of production. So what is cost control? Say for example, our factory electricity bill is coming around 2 lakhs per month. So what we want to do, we want to see that electricity bill should not exceed our 2 lakhs bill every month. So that is called what? Cost control. Then what is cost reduction? So here we want to reduce our electricity bill by using some other electrical devices, so that our electricity bill will be reduced. Means how much we are paying now? 2 lakhs. So we want to use new electrical devices, so that our electricity bill will come down to either 1,80,000 or 1,90,000 around, right? So that is called what? Cost reduction. And what's the focus of cost financial accounting? Its focus is on profit determination. But in case of cost accounting, to control the cost or to reduce the cost. Next, eighth one, based on accounting concepts, conventions, and policies. So accounting is prepared based on accounting concepts and conventions and accounting policies. What we have learned in financial accounting, we have discussed about what are accounting principles, means what are our accounting concepts and conventions. So based on that accounting concepts and conventions, and what are the accounting policies, based on that accounting standards and all, we prepare financial accounting. But if you take cost accounting, it is based on products, processes, and operations. So it is completely how the cost accounting will be prepared. It is based on process. So for that, what will take into consideration? Process accounting. If it is based on operations, operations accounting. So how you will prepare in cost accounting? Like we'll prepare operations costing will prepare contract costing, will prepare cross process costing. So based on the product or based on the process or based on the operations, will prepare accounting. Next, last one is rigid in format, because in financial accounting we have to follow the format. See what you have seen under accounting cycle, we have to record financial transactions in the form of journal entries. Next, ledger posting. Next, preparation of trial balance. Next, trading account. Next, profit and loss account. Next, balance sheet. So further there is one format, we have to follow that format and we have to prepare financial accounting. But for cost accounting, it is flexible and can be modified based on the company's requirements. So based on the company's needs, we can modify cost accounting. So these are the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. That's all for today. But learning never stops. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm also preparing financial accounting and business economics videos. You can go to my playlist and you can watch financial accounting and business economics videos also. In future, I will be doing many other subjects too. In the next video, I'll explain about essential characteristics of good costing system. So keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.